looking at inverted head and shoulders. So this is just an upside down head and shoulders now, which again would change the price from coming down to then starting to go up. Create the range, create the head, create the shoulders, get that confirmation, wait for the pullback, and then get in. Now, what do we do, guys, if we don't get a pullback? Okay, let's say that retest doesn't happen. Do we still look to take a trade? If we don't get a retest, do we still look to take the trade? Archimedes is correct. It would be extremely risky. Okay. A bit of a trick question. Technically, you can. I don't want you trading that way, just to be extremely clear. Okay, you'll see a lot of people that as soon as it breaks a neckline, confirmation has been made, so they will just look to take a trade. The whole reason, and there are some patterns, very small amount of patterns where you don't get a pullback. However, most do. So if there is a pullback, I always prefer to trade patterns with pullback. I will show you a handful of ones which don't have a pullback, but to be completely honest with you, I don't tend to trade them as much because I prefer a pullback because the pullback gives me more confidence in where to place my stop loss. Otherwise, I'm likely to get stopped out. But I will show you a couple of examples. But the key thing I want you to focus on is if the pullback doesn't happen, don't worry because there'll be plenty more that will happen. Yeah, reversal patterns happen all the time, different scales, different time frames, different assets. There's always another one out there. So if you miss this bus, don't worry, just hang around at the bus stop, you'll catch another bus. Yeah, don't chase after the bus because that's where your likelihood is going to be you've missed the move. You then start getting trades and mess up the whole ratios. So please avoid trading without a pullback. But again, I will show you some patterns which do have patterns that don't have a pullback, but I prefer to wait for ones which do. Yeah.